Trading gurus are going to hate me for this, but I'm going to showcase my full strategy from A to Z, all the steps that I take in order for me to take a trade. It's a very simple system and a very systematic approach to trading gold. It's also working on the Nasdaq pretty well, but I like to trade gold more often. But it's a very simple support and resistance strategy. But we treat support and resistance a little bit different. You're used to zones probably. I use lines and I use the bodies of the candles as my resistance. So we have a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. This is where I put my resistance. And we also need a target, right? We need a target for price to trade into. So we have what? A bullish candle followed by a bearish candle over here. And we put our line over there. I use the 4px line because I want to make sure that if there's a breakout, price really breaks out of the range and we're not getting trapped into the market. Well, the same we need to do for the support zones. Pretty obvious. We have a support zone over here, but I find this range pretty small, not too clean. So I move my first support to over here, and my support target I will put down over here. Same principle, bearish candle followed by a bullish candle on the body, bearish candle followed by a bullish candle on the body. It's pretty simple. And now the next steps are even more simpler, because now all we do is waiting for price to break out. And I'm going to show you because it's a trade I took live with my community. So I know how it's going to be playing out, obviously. But look what we have. We have a candle breaking out of the resistance. This candle has a body closure above the resistance. This is key. And to be honest, this is 90% of the freaking job done. But the most important thing is what we do after the breakout, obviously. Because we're not going to enter straight away hoping for price that it wants to go to our target. No, we have an edge, we have a system, and we want to make sure that we only take high probability trades, meaning that the trades that we take should go to take profit at least in 70 to 80% of the time, right? That's a little bit what my win rate is. It differs on the month, obviously. We could say just a 75% win rate, whatever, who fucking cares? It's all about getting the strategy locked in. So what do I need to see? Now I need to see the next 30-minute candle to flip bearish. In other words, retest the area. And the retest can be a small and tiny little wick, but it has to flip. It has to change color, in other words. So we are going to check the next candle, and the next candle becomes bearish. This is where I put my buy stop in, and when price comes back to this area, my buy stop will be activated and I will be locked into the trade. Let's see how this one is going to be playing out. Wait, let me put it like this. Look at that. Okay, easy. Take profit hit. And this system works day in, day out like clockwork. It's a very simple approach to the market. You don't need liquidity, all those overcomplicated systems. A very simple system with a few steps, and you can attack the market on gold or NQ, whatever you like. If you want more information, I put all my links down below. You can send me a message on Instagram if you want more information or just some help. I'm happy to help everyone out. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment with all your questions down below so I can help you all becoming a profitable monster. Cheers.